Okay, just briefly, they're posted problem sets. I just want to go through what you may want to share with your students, and certainly you're certainly welcome to participate as well. So right now I've posted 3 files, but I'll continue to post more. All right, so let me just go through the first file. If you click on this, and again, I recommend you share the website at least with students. The website is metcs.mathography.org. All right, I'll put that in an email as well, by the way. So when you click on this, you're going to get a problem set. All right, so it says week of Sunday, September 1st, 2024. All right, so you can read through this if you want, but the bottom line, I do encourage participation. Anyone that's interested, by the way. The more people interested, the better, all right? And what they'll do is they'll read through typically 5 problems, all right? Problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3, number 4, and 5. There are no answers on this sheet, though, right? So you'd read it and you say, gee whiz, I wonder if I can do those problems, and you'd work on it, all right? So again, I think they're entertaining problems, but you may decide otherwise, or you may find one interesting and the other one's not that interesting. They're not easy problems, though. I'll say that. For the most part, they're not easy problems, right? However, they're being offered at the level that many of our students are capable of doing, all right? So give people a chance to look at the problems and work the problems, but I realize some people are at the stage where they're not really sure if they got the right answer, and it is nice to have answer keys. I want to briefly go through that with you. I'm going to go back to the website. Let me close this one out. And what I do is I also post an answer key. Now I want to point out the second set, no answer key has been posted. So this is just a trial run for the first week. All right, so you have not only the problem set, but you got the answer key. Let me click on the answer key. This is the answer key. So the answer key gives you, it's really the same problem. And there's going to be, in the blue areas where I type up a solution. Now I grant that a lot of times when you're looking at a typed up solution, it really doesn't give all the detail, all right? It gives a sketchy idea of how to do the problem. So what I do is I post videos, all right, to help students. So it's like a teacher on a whiteboard. So over here is a brief solution video for students and faculty. Again, anyone's interested, by the way. If you click on that, you'd get a brief video overview of the problems. All right, let me close that out. I'm not going to play it. What I want to do is I want to talk about this problem over here. Number 1, there's a video here. That's that little TV screen over there. So each of the problems separately have a video. All right, each of the problems separately have a video. All right, so I'm going to click on one of them. I'm going to click on this video over here. There's also another link over here of somebody else doing the problem besides me, by the way. Certainly they're doing a different approach to the problem, but the bottom line is it can't hurt to witness other people doing a problem, which is the whole point of this. A lot of people may look at my solution and say, gee whiz, I don't like what you did. I like what I did. And that's what we're trying to encourage. People coming forward saying, I got a better idea how to do the problem. Anyway, on this screen over here, you're going to see me at a whiteboard working through the problem. I'm just going to briefly click on it. Okay, my recommendation for this, I'm not going to play it out though, but the bottom line is you're going to hear me at the whiteboard, all right? Let me go back to the problem set. I'm going to close this window out, close that one out, and here's the deal, all right? There's going to be posted problem sets. I'm going to try to do it every week, all right? It's a big job, all right? So there's problem set number 1. Problem set number 1 has the answer key. There's also problem set number 2. There is no answer key over there. So what I plan to do, this problem set is going to be for the week of September 8th. So I'm going to say, when the 15th rolls around, I'll post an answer key. All right, I'll post the answer key. Am I discouraged by people looking at an answer key when they don't do the problems? No, I'm encouraged that people are actually taking the time to look, right? But there's 5 problems here as well, right? Are they easy problems? I don't think so. Right? I think they're probably problems that are going to have some challenge over here. But again, I want to remind you, our students are capable. I can't say all students, but many of our students are capable of doing these problems. All right? If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for paying attention. And again, I do encourage you to share the website with your students, which is metcs.mathography.org. Thank you for your time.